Good morning. Today I'm going to make bacon, egg, and cheese omelet. A bacon, egg, and cheese omelet. And I want y'all to look at this shirt. How cute. Is that not cute? One of my friends gave it to me. She found it at the thrift store. She knows how much I love my duckies and my chickens. I had to show that to y'all. I'm going to get my little oven or little stove burner here. Turn on. I should already had it on, y'all. Get my pan hot. I'm going to cook up some bacon. Of course. Just a couple strips. I'm going to cut it up. That way it fries faster, I think. Just let me put you down here where you can see. Maybe. Without turning everything over. Yep. I'm going to cut up the bacon. I'm just cranked up so to get going. I love my little burner, y'all. That way I have a better angle here. So y'all can see better. Even though my phone's crooked. Oh, whatever. It is what it is. Hope y'all are doing good today. Get this bacon sizzling up. Put that to the side. My hands. Alright now, get to going. I think that's enough bacon. Max it out. Alright. Lord, let me straighten up this phone. Sorry, y'all. It's not cooperating. I'm going to crack 2 eggs. Put that in my compost bin. Stir these up. Add some salt. Get that little piece of whatever that is out there. Salt. Alright now. Come on, bacon. Pepper. A lot of pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my cheese in my egg. My grater. A lot of cheese. This is a cheddar cheese. You can put whatever you want. Cheddar. Sharp cheddar. I might put some Parmesan too. See how much cheese? Oh yeah. Yes. More cheese. I think I'm going to put some parm in it too, y'all. Let me put this cheese up and my bacon up. Get my Parmesan. Alright, this bacon's taking its time. It's starting to get warm. I got pieces of parm here. You can take this rind when it's done, put it in the freezer, and keep it for when you make a soup or something, and toss it in your soup while it's cooking. It melts down and gives it some good flavor. It's getting down to the nitty gritty. I got 2 pieces here. About ready to go in the freezer. Same thing as Parmesan. Parmesan, Reggiano. That's what I like. The kind you shred yourself. Yes. My bacon's starting to sizzle. Look at that cheese, y'all. Bacon, egg, and cheese omelet. Except I'm not going to fold it over because I usually destroy it when I try to fold it over. I'm just going to put it in the pan and let it cook. Alright, that's ready. Just get the bacon cooking. Smells good. Alright, y'all, this is going to take a few minutes, so I'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. My bacon's good and crispy. And I'm going to get some of this grease out of this pan. So most of the time I usually leave it in there, or either save it and keep it in the fridge in a jar, but I have plenty. So I'm going to soak some of this up. Not that I don't like my bacon grease. I do. But I'm going to get some of this up. Just because I'm going to leave a little bit in there for the eggs. Alright. I had to turn this down a little bit. It started cooking pretty good. Now, I'm going to add my cheesy, extra cheesy eggs to the pan. Trying to get every last bit. I'm going to add it just directly to this. Get all that cheese, egg. I'm just going to kind of do this and get it all covered and get my pan covered and my bacon covered. Then I'm just going to do that, pull it and let it run. Let it get all the pan covered. I think that looks pretty good. Then I'm just going to let it sit there and cook for a second. Like I said, I'm not going to try to flip it because it's a disaster. When I try to flip it, I just let it cook like this till it gets firm. It does not take long at all. It's almost there. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's still an omelet. It's just not folded. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Bubbling. It's bubbling. That's going to be good. Sometimes I add onions and peppers. But I just wanted a bacon, egg, and cheese. When it's, you can't hardly shake it, it's pretty much done. A few more minutes. Or seconds, rather. That looks good. Yes, please. Oh, it's just a bubbling, y'all. That cheese. Yum. Yum. going to turn this off. Just let it sit there on the heat. It's just about done, y'all. I guess I could flip it now if I wanted to. But usually it tears with me. I'm going to say that is done. Come on down there. I usually have an avocado to go with it, but I don't this one. I can actually do that. Ooh, look at that bacon. I'm going to take a bite. Ooh, good and cheesy. That's hot. That's good, y'all. Crunchy bacon. I love crunchy bacon. I could have fixed me a piece of toast. I wish I had an avocado. Hope y'all have a good day today. It's cloudy here. It's supposed to rain all weekend, I think. Gonna be dreary. I'll plant some seeds. I got some new pepper seeds in the mail yesterday. Baby bell peppers. You can put in containers. I'll get those seeds planted this weekend. That's good, y'all. Bacon, egg, and cheese omelet. You can have peppers, onions, mushrooms will be good. Alright, y'all. I hope you have a good day. Sorry I sniff, y'all. My allergies are horrible. But hope y'all have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, subscribers. I appreciate it very much. And try this. Bacon, egg, and cheese omelet. You don't have to flip it. Just leave it in your pan. Let it cook in the pan. Then put it on your plate. Then you can flip it if you want to. Have it with avocado. That's really good. But, have a good day, y'all. Bye.